Hello and welcome back to my channel again. Hope you guys are all doing good and are all fine. I hope everyone is staying strong and are having their own battle being fought against the disease very strongly and very confidently. As on date, there has been few relaxations on the lockdown, and as per the guidelines from the state government as well as from the central government, few additional shops are allowed to open and vehicles are allowed to ply on the road on odd and even basis. So this vlog is basically gonna be about a fuel leakage that I have been facing in my Royal Enfield 350 Classic and the problems and difficulties that I had to face for replacement due to the partial lockdown that was ongoing. I'll try to explain it to you, though I'm not a technical guy, but still I'll try my best. This vlog may not be for everyone, but still I'll try to make it to help the people who might be facing the same issues. Kindly subscribe to my channel, as this is the only motivation that I can get for making more videos in futures, and hit the bell icon for receiving the notification, and like, share, comment the videos. Thank you guys. Hope you all will enjoy this video. So let's get started. Okay, first I would like to explain here is Royal Enfield gives a 1-year warranty on every fuel tank in their bike. I had replaced my fuel tank a year back, that was in 30th April 2019, and as per the video, as you can see that I went to the showroom for replacement and for my complaint on 11th of May. Now as per the date, the warranty has already been crossed. As you can see, the date has been passed, but as per the guidelines of the company issued on the month of April, maybe the warranty that is due to expire on the month of April will be extended for further 2 months due to the lockdown. So as my warranty was expiring on the month of April itself, I hope the company understands this and as per their own guideline allows me to replace my tank as under the warranty. One thing I would like to mention here is previously I changed my fuel tank in Siliguri in West Bengal, that was 1 year back, and this time I am taking my bike to Gangtok, Sikkim, a 2 different state. This can be an issue that they could arise, but shouldn't be a problem as it is a single owned company, a same company I mean. So let's hope this shouldn't be a problem. I've already spoken with the executive of the company over the phone, and they have assured me that there will not be any problem regarding this, but hope the people from the service center understand this and replaces the tank without any hassle. One thing I actually forgot to mention here is my fuel tank actually started leaking since the month of January itself, January 2020, and even I discovered it later when I saw a fuel leakage spot just below under my bike where I had parked it. So it was actually started before the lockdown, and I had actually made a complaint before the lockdown even started. That was I think a week or maybe 10 days before the lockdown, and I had also booked an RSA, that is a roadside assistant, for picking up my bike and taking it to the garage. But as Sikkim state had already closed the border with other state before the central lockdown, major lockdown even started, so there was difficulties for an RSA vehicle to arrive to my spot and receive my vehicle. So therefore technically I complained the problem way before my warranty even expired. I'll try to explain from how and where the leakage is happening, though I may not be doing any justice to it, but still I'll give my best. My model of vehicle, that is Classic Signal 350 BS4, has a charcoal canister installed in it, and the difference between the BS3 and BS4 is only a simple technology of a charcoal canister. One thing I learned about the fossil fuels, that is petrol and diesel, are even in their idle state, that is while not burning, they emit a gas which is pollutant to the environment. That means a gas that evaporates from the fuel is harmful for the environment. Yes, even I was surprised and amazed to learn this fact. So as I have explained you the difference between the BS3 and BS4 engines and the functioning of the BS4 engines and the evaporations of fossil fuel, I'll try to explain the leakage with the help of a diagram. As you can see, the evaporated gas collected on top of a fuel tank is pressured down through a valve to a charcoal canister, where it is filtered by an active charcoal, and it is sent back to the valve and to the carburetor and back to the engines, where they are burned, reducing the pollution from the environment and increasing the efficiency of the engine. By doing so, it not only reduces the pollutions, but it also increases the mileage of the bike, as the gas which was previously wasted by evaporation is now burned by the engine. I'll now show you the leakage actually happening from under the tank. As you can see, there are fuel droplets coming out from the outlet valve. And as I explained in the previous diagram, there should not be any liquid fuel coming out of that outlet valve. Instead, there should be gas passing through that valve.
होइन मतलब प्रोसेस लाइक इन सेन्स तपाईँको चाहिँ अब त्यो वारेन्टीको प्रब्लम भन्नु ट्याङ्कीको प्रब्लम भन्नु
किनभने फर्स्ट कुरा त तपाईले बाहिरबाट मतलब अर्को डिलरशिपबाट चेन्ज
डिलर त इनफिल्डै हो नि मैले त्यो कुरा पनि सोधेँ मैले हजुर.
Okay, now what's happening here is, what the guy is saying is, like, as I mentioned earlier, the fuel tank that I purchased was from another dealership from another state, and that might be a problem for replacement under the warranty in this dealership and in this service center. So this is why, and this is what he is trying to tell me. And another problem is also the delivery of fuel tank, because due to lockdown and due to borders are closed, he is saying that it will take a lot of time for delivery of the fuel tank, though I have already been waiting it for 2 months till now, and still the fuel tank might take more months to reach the dealership or the service center. Okay, so waiting for a few more minutes and making some phone calls by the service center as well as by me to some senior person from the company and the person who is responsible, we finally got approved that the fuel tank can be claimed under the warranty from this service center itself. So all well said and done, the things went out to be good. As no solution was immediately provided by the company for a leaking fuel tank, and I had to wait for the tank to arrive. Till then I decided to go for the servicing of my bike and do some cleaning. As you could see, the bike was in very dirty condition. Another effect of the lockdown in my bike was not getting cleaned, as you could have seen it before. So finally it is getting a shower for itself. So finally finishing the servicing of the bike and cleaning it and clearing all the doubts regarding the issues and the replacement of the tank, I finally pay the bill, and with the hope of getting the fuel tank replaced as early as possible, I would like to sign off from this vlog, and I assure you guys that I will come up with the part 2 of this vlog where I will be showing you the replacement of the tank actually happening. Finally, I would like to request you to finally subscribe to my channel, as the more people subscribe, the more I will be motivated to make more videos, and kindly do not forget to hit the bell icon for getting an immediate notification for my upcoming videos. Thank you guys, and see you soon.